My name is Erik LaBianca. I'm the CTO and co-founder at the Seventh Sense. Seventh Sense is a predictive analytics platform for email marketers. We make it easy to segment and optimize your audience automatically using AI. We're able to do this because we've optimized the process of gathering engagement data from your marketing automation platform, and we have a suite of tools that take advantage of that information automatically for you. Redpanda is a system of record for our event processing systems. As many startups do, we pivoted several times, and our initial implementation of the system was focused exclusively on single mailboxes worth of data. Obviously, as we got into marketing automation, the number of records we had to deal with went from hundreds of thousands to hundreds of millions, and our system had to adapt. In the process of adapting, we went through a variety of different technologies, including building our own storage engine, which worked great for a while, using Amazon Kinesis, ran into some issues with that, and so we moved on towards using Kafka. And one of the issues we ran into is that the operations overhead of running Kafka was really limiting. And so when we found out about Redpanda, we jumped on board immediately to try it out, and it worked really well. The performance was better, and so that's where we ended up. There's a variety of reasons we like Redpanda. The first is simplicity. Many of the applications that we're building use more than just the Kafka API, and Redpanda having a schema registry, having the HTTP API that's built in, being a single deployment, single binary deployment makes it a lot easier. So that's the one half. The other half is just plain old performance. Redpanda spins up really fast, and it works really fast once you're actually connected to it. We did a benchmark connecting to our Databricks Spark cluster, and the difference in performance just with doing a bulk load of our information from Redpanda versus Kafka was orders of magnitude. We were able to completely saturate literally 100 to 1 nodes on the Spark side versus the size of the Redpanda cluster. And that, when we're talking about a somewhat limited API like Kafka, where it's, you don't get querying and you don't get indexes and you don't get, random mutations. The one thing I want back from that API is I want performance, and Redpanda delivers it. So it's pretty cool. Redpanda is a very effective developer tool for us. I would say that's probably the easiest way to kind of think about the ROI, just because I'm able to give it to my development team and they're able to use it. It works on their laptops, it works fast, and they're able to write integration tests and write and kind of understand how to work with streaming, which is kind of a new technology for a lot of them, very effectively. Secondarily, we're using the Redpanda cloud. So I don't think about keeping cluster quorum or managing Kubernetes persistent volumes, anything like that, which obviously saves me a lot of time, and it's a good value there. But finally, for performance, Redpanda, beyond just kind of being faster per dollar, Redpanda opens up use cases that just aren't feasible using Kafka. Because of its performance. And so I would say, if you think about the log abstraction instead as a immutable log, kind of like a database redo log, where you actually have, this is the history of all of the data that has gone through this particular system, it saves you from burning down your very expensive SQL Server and other types of index stores, so they can focus exclusively on keeping the current state of the system in memory rather than maintaining audit logs and CDC logs and stuff like that. And if you do that, you open up development capabilities and performance that you just wouldn't have otherwise. So if I were to describe Redpanda with one word, I'd have to say it's fast. It's fast to get started, it's fast to use, it's fast to read data from, and the team is fast to respond. And I think that's a really great attribute for your primary system of record.